Hello friends and welcome back to the TechLegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about GameMax innovative N80 chassis. So friend, GameMax has announced the new innovative N80 chassis is a panoramic dual chamber chassis. So friend, the chassis is featuring N80 panoramic dual chamber chassis. So friend, the chassis is comes with modular design with quick release structure featuring a split modular design, innovative appearance, and quick release structure. And N80 is divided into upper and lower chamber that create a floating effect and a tool-free quick release design, enhance assembly efficiency. And friends comes with hidden connector motherboard support, comfortable with latest hidden connector motherboard including ASUS BTF, MSI Project ZERO, and GIGABYTE Stealth series. So friend, the N80 is provide a clean and TDPC appearance. The cable hour allows for all cables to neatly stored, making the internal space clean and elegant. And friends, the optional GPU bracket and PCI 4.0 riser cable for vertical GPU mounting, allowing for a full display of hardware and 270-degree panoramic view with curved glass panel featuring large and curved front and side glass panel for unified look, and the clear transparent glass providing good view of interior including fan mount and motherboard side to increase airflow. The upper and lower chamber have separately cooling, and the opening between the upper and lower chamber enhance cooling efficiency. And the N80 comes with 6 daisy chain ARGB PWM fans and a controller with dynamic lighting effect and PWM temperature control, answer energy efficiency and quiet operation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.